Today we are going to see how to create a package in Python. First, what is meant by package? Package is a group of Python modules. So what is Python module? Any .py file you are creating, that is one module in Python. So this package is one group of modules. So as it is group of modules, we need to create one folder, and in that folder we have to keep all these modules. So whatever name you are giving to this folder, so that folder name is your package name. Now here I am creating one folder, and for that folder I am giving name math_op. So this is our name of package. Now in this folder we are going to keep our modules. Those are Python modules, and those are the files with .py extension. Now whenever you are uh, creating a package in Python, the folder you have created, in that folder you have to create one empty file. So that file name is init file. That is, its name is underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. Compulsory you have to create this file, and this file is empty for now. Now next, as it is containing group of modules, so these modules we are creating now. First I am going to create add.py. So this is going to contain addition code, then sub.py. Right? So now these are the two modules in this math_op package. Right? And what we will do, we will write here some code. For example, I am taking here one variable a is equal to 100, and here b is 200. And whatever these variables we have defined in these modules, we are going to import these modules in other Python file using this package. So how to use this package we will see. Now this is our package. It is containing this file, and its name should be this only, underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. So now here I am going to use this math_op module. So I am closing all this. Remember, we have defined variables a and b, and these variables we are going to access. Now here I am going to create one test.py file, and in this file we will use this package. Now I want to import this package. From this package I want to import add and sub module. So I will take here math_op. So this is the name of package. From math_op import add and sub. So these are my module names. And from these files I want to use in add file, or in add module we have defined variable a. So that we will take here from add module, and from sub module we will take b variable, sub b. Right? Now I will run this file. Python, the name of file is test.py. Now it is giving from add module 100 and from sub module 200. Right? So this is the name of package, and in this package we have these modules. So add a is 100, and in sub b that is 200. Right? In our package this init.py file is empty, but if you have any initialization code before running your modules, you can write that code here. Now we don't have any initialization code. For demo purpose I will write here one print statement, initialization right. So now if I run this file again, test.py, in this test.py we are using this math_op module. Now here this initialization code is getting executed. So this is the purpose of this init file.